What's up guys, Untitled Tactical here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. So I'm here with you with another video today. We're going to be talking about a phone that's probably, I believe it's probably been forgotten in the smartphone world as far as, you know, flagships is concerned. But the device that I have that a lot of people forget about is my Samsung Galaxy S10E here. Now I got this through Verizon. Love this phone. It's not small to me at all. It's very nice, but it is compact, but it does its job. It does exactly what I need it to do. I believe my iPhone XS Max, which I have right here, is probably a little bit overkill for me. But we're going to be talking about a case that I have for the Samsung Galaxy S10E, and that's why I say it's pretty much forgotten, because there are a lot of vendors or a lot of companies out there probably forget about these budget phones and they don't make enough cases for them. There's not a lot of choices. But here you guys go. It's a Pelican case from Pelican, of course. It is the Pelican Voyager for the Galaxy S10e. If you want, you can pause and read the video, read the box for yourself. It's a military grade, mil spec up to 810G, four layers of extreme protection. You have a holster in it, and a great thing about it has a lifetime guarantee. Okay, as you can see in the box here, nice packaging. As you can see, Pelican, and all the information here in the back of exactly what it says about lifetime guarantee, the holster, the 4-layer extreme protection, military grade drop protection. Okay, got this on Amazon for, I believe at the time it was on sale for about $28 and some change. I'll try to find that link again and link it down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. So that's the case itself with the holster. So let's take it out. It's a nice little slide out here, pretty easy, and put the case right there. So there's the case, front and center. It's hooked up to the attached to the holster here. Nice, I like the material in it. Pretty nice. Okay, cut out for your camera. Put this holster aside. So there's no screen protector in the front, nor does it come with a screen protector, but you can see inside here it does say Pelican. It does have your buttons here for your volume up, volume down, Bixby key, and of course your special placement for your thumbprint for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. And this here looks like a cutout for, that looks like a cutout for, like, you can put a coin into this, attach this, or you can have, if you have fingernails, you can detach it and put the phone in. So let's go ahead and put the phone in and let's see how this thing works. And they say this thing is pretty tough to open up. There you go. And we're gonna go, I'm not gonna read the box or anything. I think it's self-explanatory. I can put this in. So we're gonna go screen down first on the front part of the case, and we're going to go ahead and attach the back. Now, one thing I don't like already is that there's no soft material to protect the back glass from scratches or anything. I know it's plastic. It probably won't do anything at all to the glass, but it would be nice if Pelican just could put like a small thin layer of something like a microfiber material, or even like some rubber material to maybe you know, keep the phone from scratching up. But let's go ahead and put this on here. Now this should be a simple installation, and I'm trying to get it to install, so bear with me guys. So you have to just put it in through the grooves here. You hear the click. Now I'm going to tell you right now, it's not a fun install because it is kind of tedious. There you go. Okay, that's nice. Okay, making sure everything is in there. There we go. Yeah, I think it's all lined up pretty nice. So I think that, like I said, this part right here, you have to use like a coin, maybe like a quarter right here. Just switch it and, you know, turn it and it will come right open. It will detach. All right, so there you guys go. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10E in the Pelican Voyager case. I like the feel. It's actually surprisingly nice, and no problems here with the cutout of the thumbprint or a power button, whatever have you. And that's actually really comfortable in the hand. It's not, I thought it would be really slippery. It's actually not, because I have the Samsung Galaxy S10E otterbox, I want to say symmetry case, and that plastic in the back is quite slippery. This one is not. This is like has a little bit of a, I don't know how to say this, but maybe a matte finish instead of a, not that slippery gloss finish that otterbox has. But I do like this. So you have your cutout there again for your power and fingerprint. You have your cutout for your camera, as you can see here, nice, deep and recessed. You have your cutout for your speaker, your cutout for your USB Type-C, your 3.5mm headphone jack, and here's your buttons for the up and down and the Bixby key, and a hole for the microphone right there. So let's test out the, oh nice. So let's test out the up and down. Nice and tactile. It's not hard to press at all, not like some of the cases like Zizo. Bixby key, it works. Power button, it works fine. It works actually really good. You have a nice lay on the table feature right here. You can see that lip. That lip is really deep. So nice lay on the table design. Let's go ahead and slap on the case. So let's see, we're gonna put it in probably this way. Nice and robust. Oh, I like this. That's nice. Holster rotate 360 degrees. I like this. I already like this holster because, one, I don't know if this will do any justice, but it feels more satisfying to open up. You're just using that. Not like your otterboxes, it took a lot of strength to open it up. But I believe if you want to make this into a kickstand, there it goes. You can put it just like that. You can turn it and have another viewing angle, you know, or you can, let's do it this way. Fairly simple to take it out the holster. I have to apologize. I'm doing everything behind the cameras. So let's do that again, Mike. There you go. So there you guys go. That's a kickstand right there. Lay on the. You can lay it down just like this. You can do it like this, and probably you can do it like maybe in portrait mode. That's pretty cool. Hey, not bad. All right. So I kind of like that. Let's see how it retracts, because again, otterbox is the biggest competitor. This right here will release the locking mechanism for the stand. Very easy. It doesn't even, it's not that big latching sound that you hear on most otterbox cases. So make it a kickstand. Very easy. Clicks very nice. Let's do it again. So let's do it from this side. So I show you guys exactly what it is. That's nice. There you go. All right, so there you guys go. That is the Pelican case, Voyager series. All right, for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I got this on Amazon. I'll try to put the links down in the descriptions down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. All right, take care.